Mother's Day is coming up really soon. And with all of us trying to stay at home and be safe, why not make a simple project with things we most definitely have in the house? So here's a very simple paper craft. It's a lovely card that we're going to learn to make. And the speciality of this card is, it pops up. Let's get started. So the materials that we're using for this project are things that you should definitely have lying around at home. A glue stick, scissors, a black pen, a pencil. I have a bunch of these square sheets in different colors. I've taken 7 of them. If you don't have sheets like this, you could use craft paper, newspaper, or just normal white paper and decorate it. And I've just taken some craft paper and folded it into a card. So now in order to get started, we'll start folding our square. So first, you fold it in half. Then you turn it around and fold it in another half. And finally, you fold it one more time. Once you're done folding your paper, just grab your pencil and trace out the shape of a petal. Now, just take your scissors and cut this side out. So what you have is a flower that looks like this. So now go ahead and do this for all the rest of your sheets as well. So now if you want to decorate your flowers, you can go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to give my flower a little bit of a center. Now once you're done decorating, if you can see, you have 8 petals over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to cut out one of these petals. So now what we do is we grab our glue stick and apply glue on one of the petals. And then fold our flower in like a cone. So you're placing one petal over the one that you applied glue on. Now go ahead and do this for all the rest of your flowers. So now that we have all of these cut out and decorated, you can just pile them up and put them under a heavy book just to make sure that the glue sticks properly. I'm going to leave this for about 2 minutes and then get back. So now that you had this under the book for a while, lift it off and pick up your first flower. Now we'll be applying glue to this petal and to this petal. So now we're just going to attach 2 more flowers to the side that we've applied glue to. Now we're going to be applying glue here, here and here. And then we'll be taking one of our flowers and sticking it down. Now we'll be applying glue to this one, this one, this one and this one. And we'll place our flowers on these. Finally, we'll be placing glue here, here and here and attaching our final flower right here. Once you're done with this, just pick it up and place your book on top again for another 2 minutes. Now that I've lifted the book off, here is what it looks like. So now that I have my little bouquet completed, I'm just going to grab a card, open it to the inside, and we're only going to apply glue to the middle petal. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you have a middle petal over here. So apply glue on both sides, and then just place this inside your card, close your card, and place your book on top again for another minute or so. Now that we've let this sit for a couple of minutes, let's open it up. And here you have a beautiful pop-up card ready. You can go ahead and decorate this the way you want. I'm just going to decorate it a little bit and I'll show you the final product. So there you have it. My card is complete and I've used the scraps from the petals that I cut out earlier to make a little flower because I hate wasting this beautiful paper. And here's the inside. You have a pretty flower bouquet waiting for whoever opens your card. So please go ahead and try this card. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have lots of interesting videos coming out really soon. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with all your friends. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.